Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is now rumored to have a very intriguing change compared to its predecessor. According to the latest available data, the most futuristic and most exciting flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, reportedly has a larger punch hole for the selfie shooter and many other top new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to the newly published information, Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is now rumored to have a very intriguing change compared to its predecessor, a much bigger hole punch for the selfie camera. In fact, it allegedly reaches 4 mm in diameter. As you can see in the video, from the comparison render, it's significantly bigger than in the S25 Ultra. But don't get your hopes up. This is apparently not due to an upgrade in camera sensor size, it's just that the S26 Ultra's camera will have a wider field of view than its predecessors. The Samsung S26 Ultra's selfie camera reportedly has an 85-degree field of view, which is allegedly the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra's main camera shooter. This will undoubtedly allow you to fit many more people into your selfies, with ease. But it won't make those selfies much better, since the sensor and resolution stay the same. On a slightly unrelated note, as you can see from the render, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra's bezels seem to be identical to those of its predecessor, if not actually slightly enlarged. That's interesting, since they are rumored to be bigger than those of a lot of Chinese competitors like Oppo, with the Find X9 and X9 Pro, OnePlus with the 15, and Xiaomi with the 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. So clearly, Samsung isn't playing the bezel game. On the other hand, Qualcomm's CEO reveals expectations for upcoming Samsung flagship smartphones, like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, to launch with the most powerful chipset. Cristiano Amon doesn't expect Qualcomm to supply Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipsets in all Galaxy S26 models, though Exynos chipsets will likely return in limited quantities. Via ET News, the CEO elaborated. The second part is our relationship with Samsung. We've been talking about this for several years, for a number of reasons. And it's been true for the last few years, I think, that what used to be a normal relationship at 50% share is now the new baseline around 75%. And that will always be our financial assumption. When we exceed our plan, sometimes we get more than 75%. On the Galaxy S25, we got 100%. Our assumption for any new Galaxy will always be 75%. That's our assumption for the Galaxy S26, says Cristiano Amon. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.